spider went found again. That was a good one, wasn't it? How about I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me, oh no, you're singing. Tip me over and pour me out. Okay, how about if we do, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Not a fan of that one, huh? I think you liked the Wheels on the Bus, didn't you? The doggies on the bus go woof, 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 woof. The doggies on the bus go woof, 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 all through the town. The kitties on the bus go meow, 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 meow. The kitties on the bus go meow, 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 all through the town. Okay, we're going to wash this front paw, get it all pretty and white. Wait a minute, wait. Hold on. No, it has to be clean. Remember, no stinkies, no stinkies. Okay, now I'm getting in front of you. Oh! Oh my God! What did you do? Oh no! How much did he have there?
The doggies on the bus go woof, woof, woof.
Oh God! Oh dear, no! No! Oh God, no! Oh dear Lord in heaven! Let's erase it. Oh God! She likes
Say
it.
hi, puppy.
Oh.
Sing another one.
I was going to sing Old MacDonald. That was going to be my next
I was
one.
listening to you in my room, and then I thought I had to record it.
You just had to, right?
Yep, it's going on Facebook.
Oh, no. Your friends are going to say the crazy things again.
You're just a little crazy. Say hi, puppy. Say hi, puppy.